Hi everybody, so today we're going to be making the craft from the craft bags this week. So they're going to be little musical shakers. And so this is everything you're going to get. There's going to be lots of things to decorate. There will be this tube, there'll be this bag of salt, and 2 of these little squares with triangles cut out, and there'll be some extra squares in there just in case as well. And so what you're going to do first is you're going to take the little square and you're going to glue all the way around the edges, as you can kind of see me doing here. So you might get some glue on the table. It's fine. I got glue on the table. It happens. And then you're going to just fold down each section of the piece of paper onto it. And so I kind of did like one side and then the other, and it worked. And, you know, some of it was a little bit hard to do and hard to stick down, but it worked eventually. I just had to use a lot of glue. And it's okay if you mess up with the thing and rip the paper, because there will be extra ones in your craft bag. So you can just make another one. And so once you've done this, then we're going to put the salt in. So what you're going to do, and I'll show you in a second, is you're going to take the bag and you're going to cut a small corner on the other side of the little zipper thing. In the one side, you're just a very tiny corner, and then you're just going to dump it in. And so you can see me cutting the corner here, and then you're just going to put it right up and dump it all in. Get it all out, just like that. And then you're going to put the other side on. So same thing, lots of glue. It's okay if it gets all over the table. And then you're going to just kind of fold it down. And I was having a bit of trouble with this because my paper was a little bit thicker than the construction paper that was in the craft bags. And so I ended up just using some duct tape just to hold it down, because that's what I wanted to decorate my shaker with. And so I ended up just covering the entire thing in this flower duct tape because I thought it was cool. And yeah, and then after that I started to decorate it a little bit more with more than just the duct tape. And so I took some of these stickers and I took the ribbon and I put a little ribbon on it so I could kind of like hook it onto my hand, which I thought was kind of cool. And then yeah, I just kind of pressed it down. And it was just very fun, and I could shake it around. And then I got some stickers and put those on, and that was great. Loved the little stickers. And yeah, and so you can really make this your own because it's your little shaker. And you don't have to put all the salt in if you don't want to. You can put in whatever you like, however much you want. It just helps make a cool sound. Yeah, and so I made mine very Pokemon just because that was the stickers I had, and I thought they were fun. And then I took some of these like funky little shapes, and I had an M in mine, so I was like, oh, that matches my name because my name's Moira, so it starts with an M. So I was like, it's mine. And then I put this cute little flower on there because I thought it was fun. And you can really do whatever you'd like with these because it is entirely your own. And yeah, and then it works really well. So thank you for checking out this video and for getting the craft bags. It's been very fun, and make sure to check out the video next week.